you know where to go.
My bag, the toy. There's a lot more, right? I think they're gonna go back and get them if they want to wear it a bit longer.
Yeah.
Yo, tell me.
What is it?
And you get a spin to win.
I think we're
You're worth the market. Need an A1. A1 bigger.
that's not shit.
Oh, my phone, my phone. Baseball cap.
I don't like your baseball. Oh my god, that's so
You get them up. Those are big.
Which one's in the bucket? No, I never did. You buy. Yeah.
Okay. Let me discuss with my brother.
Absolutely.
falar a verdade, só tom.
dinner at 6:30. Put your name on the waiting list before
So front tip and tomatoes, that will die on this hill. If you don't season them, you're doing it wrong. So always season your tomatoes before they go in the sandwich, okay?
Okay, and you're seasoning it obviously with salt.
Yeah, just a little
Are
bit
you
of salt,
putting
a
anything
little bit of
else on?
pepper. Sorry?
Are you putting anything else on?
Just salt. I would normally
Salt.
put pepper, but I didn't bring any today, sorry guys, so you get salt. All right. So, first things first, we're gonna toast the bun. I like a butter toast. I'm a very classic butter toast kind of guy, so I'll Nabia butter into the pan. Let that get.
Very unfortunate name. I'm sure some of you guys are like, Taste of Stampede. It's already in the room already in the bottle. We'll see what they got. From the looks of it, they seem to have a bit of a some of those details are in the trailer.
No, I was told so I'm sorry. This one has
and adults, but
Thank you.
enjoy. How are you?